करना है.
Okay, we are live on Facebook now. Okay.
This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
शिव उसको दूर.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
This is Bharat FM.
Welcome to Stars Aligned. My name is Mayank Chaya. You're watching Bharat FM on Facebook and Zoom Live. We have an extraordinary guest this morning. We are extremely sorry for this rather unusual delay, but we are ready to go now. In 1989, Pawan Malhotra had two simultaneous film releases, which sharply underlined his gift as an actor. A man who paints himself as a tiger to perform in Bengal villages, for the national award-winning film Bagh Bahadur, directed by Buddhadev Das Gupta, and a small-time Bombay thug, Salim Pasha in Saeed Akhtar Mirza Salim Lagre Pe Matro. That too won the National Best Feature Film Award. Since then, in a career spanning over 35 years, the 62-year-old actor has acted in over a dozen television series, including the 1986 path-breaking Nukkad, as well as over 80 movies. Some of his extraordinary work made strong impression in movies such as the Punjabi film recently, which was Eh Jahan Tumhare Lekhe, Black Friday, Brothers in Trouble. I say there is a pretty long list which we will cover as we go along. So welcome, Pawan. We are very pleased to have you.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure.
Likewise. So as is our habit, we'll just begin at the beginning. I was going through your bios through several interviews, and it struck me that you begin between just finishing school and about to join college in a play called Tughlaq, where you played about 6 different roles. Why don't we begin with that experience of yours?
The school which I was studying in, वहाँ कोई ज़्यादा theater नहीं होता था. ज़्यादा इसलिए शब्द लगा रहा हूँ, नहीं होता था, लेकिन there was one teacher, she was interested in theater, and we were in, I think, 6th or 7th class. She organized something that in the long corridor, the whole school got assembled. There was no auditorium in our school that way, and she got us together, and one play was performed, and उसमें मुझे first prize मिला था, which was a very small thing happened, and it was not such a big deal. Then, of course, at that time you enjoy that. Then towards the end of my school, there was a friend of mine, childhood friend, who was just 2 houses away. We grew up together. He was from modern school where theater was very seriously taken. They had a auditorium. They used to call theater directors from outside NSD and all, and the house competitions, that kind of a place. And lots of modernites, when they came out of that school, they formed groups, which I had no idea about this theater. All I knew was Sabro House, where we used to go and watch Children's Film Society's films, and theater we had not seen. I didn't know a thing about National School of Drama. In fact, after I started doing theater, it took me another 1 year to realize that there is some place called National School of Drama. And I joined, I studied in a vernacular medium, and I joined this group, Ruchika, Faisal Al-Qazi and all. Joined means, this guy took me, he said, play karega, and I thought he's again trying to, regroup some actors from the area where the lane, which हम दिल्ली में मोहल्ला बोलते हैं, कि वहाँ पर he'll get together some people and theater होगा. तो I said, हाँ करेंगे. And then he said, चल कल मेरे साथ चलना है, वो श्रीराम सेंटर है, वहाँ लेके जाना है. I said, वो कहाँ है? He said, सबरो उसके पास, बंगाली मार्केट के पास. Bengali market we knew, but even when we went there, my family had nothing to do with art, you see. They were business people, refugees from Pakistan. My father was in machine tools business, but going to theater and all, never did that happen. Anyway, so I joined that, and Tughlaq, they were doing, Arun Kukreja was directing, and I did some 6 different cameos, small roles. And then one day while we were rehearsing, somebody told me, अरे अच्छा करता है यार, तो तुम्हारा ग्रुप क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन करता? I asked them क्या करना होता है. They said you have to give 20 rupees and fill a form. And so next day I did that, and I joined their group. I don't know why I did, but I joined it. and I was enjoying the whole process, and I met these new people, different crowd. And then Faisal actually, unknowingly, Faisal made me an actor. He kept giving me roles in his plays. And Spring Awakening, we did one play where I hardly had one dialogue. And sometimes in the meetings, I couldn't even understand what is the topic because they only used to converse in English.
अच्छा.
And sometimes I used to ask people, कि क्या बात क्या हो रही है, you know?
अच्छा.
And anyway, then they kept giving me work, and then we did a play called Father. That was in Hindi, in fact, we did that. And first time my name was in paper, that Pavan Malhotra as orderly was impressive, you know. And I by that time I joined college. I still remember first year of my college, in that bag I was keeping that paper. And after every few hours for a week or 10 days, I used to take it out and, you know, see my name in Times of India, Pavan Malhotra as orderly was impressive. For that line, for me, only that print for me was very important. Anyway, then in college also I kept doing. Then I started in college. So college competitions, I started getting prizes. You know. Then my whole thing was evening was theater only. You know, you go there, and then I joined different groups also. Then started working outside Ruchika. But the unknowingly Faisal made me this actor, and then the process happened. Actually, till date, I have not done anything that I use my mind that I will go like this, like this. Things just happen for me. I always say God has been very kind to me. I just floated.
Yeah, and I was about to, in fact, mention that there is a Sanskrit saying which goes something like this: "Anugachanti pravah," जैसे to flow, go with the flow. तो क्या ये कहना मुनासिब होगा कि आप रास्ते पे चल पड़े और मंजिलें आती रही, जैसे ये बात सही है कहना?
जी, एक्चुअली ऐसा ही हुआ.
अच्छा.
अभी मैंने लुक बैक कि मैं बॉम्बे जब आ गया, बॉम्बे भी देखिए कोइंसिडेंस था. जो कुछ थिएटर के सीनियर एक्टर्स ऑलरेडी बॉम्बे में आ चुके थे और कभी दिल्ली वापस आते थे, और बॉम्बे की कहानी ऐसे सब होता है थिएटर में, वहां मंडी हाउस पे सब बैठ जाएंगे दिल्ली, और फिर वो बोलेगा वो एक्टर ने ऐसा, हमारा ऐसा, यहाँ का जो गया हुआ है, यू नो, द स्टोरीज दे विल टेल यू.
लेकिन उसके सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, उसके पहले मैं जैसे पढ़ रहा था आपके बैकग्राउंड में, रिचर्ड एटनबरो शूट कर रहे थे दिल्ली में गांधी, द फेमस मास्टरली ऑस्कर विनिंग फिल्म. आई थिंक द पीरियड वाज अराउंड 1981, जहां पे आपको एक प्रोडक्शन असिस्टेंट या प्रोडक्ट्स असिस्टेंट की हैसियत से.
नो, आई वाज वार्डरोब असिस्टेंट.
Right.
What happened? That's what I would have come to that. What happened? All these guys, you know, we used to do theater with seniors to us. If they would go there, they'll come to Delhi and they'll say, one or two of them, "Oy, तू क्यों नहीं आता है यार बॉम्बे?" I always say, मुझे फिल्मों में क्यों कोई काम देगा? Because we grew up looking at Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Vinod Khanna. You know, for us, they were tall, handsome people, you know, and somehow you only think कि फिल्मों में काम करना है तो you think of heroes only, you know, somehow. Not that you are wanting to. Director is always an old man, cameraman would be old man. That's how in Delhi you imagine. Anyway, so one day I went to my father's office, and my father's business was machine tools business. When we are doing theater, रात को कहीं रुक गए, देर हो गई, phone कर दिया आज नहीं आऊँगा, next day, and till I was in school, we would summer vacations after 10, 15, 20 days go to Mussoorie, go to some hill station and watch films. Eventually you will start spending time at your father's office. When we were in school, he would not say anything. But once I reached college, then he said, you have to learn this business. Please start working here when you come here. Don't just, you know, faff around when you're sitting here. And one day I reached at around afternoon, and my father made me sit and said, look, this is machine tools business. This is not kapda napa or bech diya dekhe. You have to learn this business. You have to deal with engineers, and this is a very vast line. So don't take it so carelessly. And he said things like, your brothers, they know the business, and tomorrow if something goes wrong, they'll be able to send their children to school, and what will you do? Chole bhature bechega. This is a typical Punjabi father telling. And I said, okay, no more theater. And I was not rehearsing for any play or something. And I said this, and in a week's time, I got this call that I came to know because they had come for machine tools to us, our office, father's office, from Gandhi unit. So I knew there's some film being shot. I'd never seen a film shoot. I'd never seen a film camera. The only camera we had seen when we used to do theater plays for Doordarshan. That was the only camera one had seen. So anyway, this friend of mine calls me and says that we are working on this film, Gandhi, and for wardrobe, we need 2 guys for Jallianwala Bagh for a week, and I've given your name. I said, I had no idea. How will I do this? I've never seen a film shoot before. She says, don't be stupid. You can do it. That's why we've given your name. And we are also doing it. And the way we do it in theater is the same thing. There's nothing. So I asked my father that this is for last 1 week. This is the last thing. I'll just go. And I joined them. And they never asked me to leave after 1 week. I was working, but I didn't know I was just working because I was there. So I was working. And they thought I'm very hardworking and I was very good at the job and whatever. And then they were shifting from Delhi. After this is almost 1 month, they were shifting from Delhi to Bombay and then Pune and then Patna. That's what. And we were told that from Delhi, Bombay, they're going to, they're not taking the crew from here. They'll take people from there. And, so the wardrobe in charge asked me that, would you like to come to Bombay with us? I said, but you're not taking the crew from here, right? And he says, well, that's not your problem. I used to talk like that. That's not your problem, Pava. I can't run my wardrobe without you. I didn't know that he can't run my wardrobe. Of course, if I had not gone, not that anything would have stopped, somebody else would have come. So I came to Bombay with them, then Pune, Patna. And then somebody told me, Arey, ek bar aato se, and lots of people, those who worked in Gandhi, actors, now they had money in their hands. So many, if you see the early 80s, 80, 81, there was lots of people influx in Bombay from Delhi theater,
Right.
Anyway, our seniors and all. Then there was a play, I was working backstage on that play. And I took that backstage, said yes for that backstage because at that time, after Gandhi, I never went back to my father's office. I used to go, but I was like, I want to do something on my own. You're self-made. I want to be self-made. And what? Theater, nothing else. I'm not even educated. I'm graduate, but I'm not educated. Graduation is... Anyway, so I came to Bombay with the play, and Jaane Vidyaram was being planned, and some of the friends were already involved. They were looking for a production assistant. And they said, why don't you join the team? Give yourself a chance. If you don't like it, you can always go back. But come for a few months, work on this 6 months. I said, I'll go back home. And I went back home, told my parents that I'm going, I've got a job, and very little money. It was difficult to survive and all. For my parents, the trip was don't borrow money and all. But anyway, that was a different story. I decided that I want to do something on my own, but that helped me. If I was calling or writing back home for money, I'm sure I wouldn't have been doing these odd jobs or small jobs, whatever. Production assistant, production manager, assistant director, and when there was and the kind of cinema we were working in, there was no money in it. Even that 1 month you couldn't survive with that money. In fact, I tell you, all the films which you see where they show exploitation, the maximum exploitation happened when those stories being told that is being made. That process of telling you that people are being exploited, the more people working on that are exploited more. So anyway, from there it started. Jaane Vidyaram was my first job in Bombay as a production assistant. Of course, you ended up doing lots of things. Props I did, and costume because I had done so. And the unit was very small. Costume 1 person. So the director tells you, hey, tu ye bhi kar. Props are all I did. Then because everything was new for us, we will take the clap and start giving clap also. And the person who's supposed to give, they'll be happy that, but our trip was that you want to learn. It's exciting. It's a new world for you.
So when you were doing those odd jobs, say for instance, on a unit like Jaane Vidyaram, were your actually impulses getting activated? Were you thinking that what if I was in front of the camera rather than behind?
See, of course, I mean, I was in Bombay not to do production. I was in Bombay to act. But once I came, I felt now this is what it is. Whatever happens, even if I die as a production manager here or something else, now I'm not going back. I'm going to, I mean, I told myself this, that
Right.
less, what, more. Now I've come here. That's a fact. I told myself.
Right. So,
But acting, I was asking Kundan for a role. You know, there was one small role which he didn't give me.
I see.
Then he wanted me Mahabharat ke scene mein. To I was very clear. If I want to do something where as an actor I have to do something. You know,
Right.
I have something to do.
Right.
And then Kundan told me, "Oh, Mahabharat." I said, "No, I'm not interested." Then Said was planning a film. And I still remember we were shooting at Baikala for Jane Vijaro, and Said, this is towards the end. And
Right.
Said took me aside and said that I'm starting my film. I would like you to handle production for my film. And I said, Said, I'm an actor. I'm not a production person. He said, casting ho gayi hai, par agar kuch niklega to dekhenge. But also I needed money to survive, you
Right.
see. So I said yes, and Dealer Ali postponed whatever. It started, and I was production manager for that film.
That was Mohan Joshi Hazaro.
Mohan Joshi Hazaro. So see how things happen.
Right.
One day we went for a camera test, and those days they used to take camera test, which for me everything was new. Technically, I didn't know. And I went there. The DOP came, and the camera attendants were there, and they used to run the camera for a minute with Nagra, in the box which sound used to record is the film camera I'm talking about, and
Right.
check the sync.
Mhm.
So I thought they'll just run the camera and check the sync, you know.
Mhm.
And then suddenly the cameraman tells me, "Hey, Pawan Malhotra, koi actor laya saath mein?" I said, "Why do you need an actor? We've got camera test hi to hai." I thought they just run somewhere in whatever. He said, "No, somebody has to speak for 1 minute. Otherwise, how do we check the sync?"
Acha.
Which he never told me before. So
Okay.
anyway, I said, what are we supposed to do? He said, somebody has to speak. I said, speak anything? He said, yeah. I said, I'll speak.
Acha.
So I stood there and I started talking about Bombay. You know, I just
Acha.
started talking. And then next day, I remember I was at Said's place, which was one part of his house. We were using an office. And I was sitting and making vouchers. And I still remember Said came and tapped me and he said, I just saw the camera test rushes, my friend. You're an actor. We're going to work one day together.
Acha. And
And
that
then
was
during
the-
Mohan,
yeah.
and during Mohan Joshi Hazaro, one early morning, the main actor, Bhisham Sani ji, he had gone to Delhi and they decided to take a shot, early morning shot, कि वो दूध खरीदने जा रहे.
Ji.
So they told me कि तू करेगा, and the makeup man had not reached. Everything was going wrong at that day, and to give the gray look, they put chalk in my hair,
Acha.
and they said face will not be seen. We are only showing the back. And I had those bottles, and I walked like Bhisham Sani used to walk.
Acha.
And then Said said, Pawan, after they did the shot, how did you make his walk like this? I said, Said, you told me Bhisham Sani ji ka karna hai na? He said, yeah, but how did you walk like this? I said, because we see him every day walking, you know.
Right.
And then Bhisham ji, when he came for dubbing, they showed him that shot and they said, do you remember when this shot was taken?
Ah.
And he said, याद नहीं है क्यों क्या बात है उन्होंने बोला ये पवन है.
Acha.
So I think those small things, then finally I landed up Nukkad also. See, it was, I always say, जो आपकी किस्मत में है, जो आपके हिस्से में है, वही मिलेगा. आप जब मिल जाए तो अपनी ईमानदारी से कीजिए. Nukkad, I got that Harika role 2 days before.
I
When
see.
the reading happened, I was supposed to be assistant director on that and doing a small role. And the Monday we had a reading, Friday was a shoot. And the gentleman, the actor who was supposed to do that role, he said, role acha nahi hai, he left Nukkad.
Acha.
And actually, पहले 13 एपिसोड में 2 एपिसोड में था भी नहीं. तीन चार एपिसोड में there was very little for that actor, that character to perform. And on Tuesday evening, Saeed told me, Pawan, you're doing Hari. And I said, no, he's doing. Oh, he's not doing it, so you're doing it. So then, if I'm doing Hari, then I can't assist because it's a role where you need to be on the set. You can't. And Nukkar, that character clicked.
Acha.
After
it was
13
a-
episodes. Yeah, and Nukkar was a huge hit, and people loved it and very popular. I'm talking the first Nukkar. And we went for a function after 13 episodes, and I remember, people. Of course, there were other actors also. They were running after them. Like Nukkar, whole team was a star actually.
Right.
So then they realized, oh, this character is very popular. So they started writing episodes where, then, so God has taken care of me. Yeah, I always say कि भाई भगवान पेड़ से ऊपर सेब गिरा देगा, खजूर गिरा देगा, but you have to chew it well, तभी पचेगा.
जी जी.
तो
So
अपनी
आप
ईमानदारी से कीजिए.
ना सर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि नुक्कड़ जो है हरी का जो किरदार है that was your first exposure to fame as it were. That's when you begin to understand what it meant to be famous, right?
Yeah, okay, you can put it like this.
Okay.
But उससे पहले I had done small roles, but that was like आप production कर रहे हो तो ये role करना है.
जी.
Even if you say no, hey, कौन कराएगा, करना है.
जी.
खामोश, everybody was doing two
Right.
jobs. But proper role was Nukkar. And then my first film was Salim Langde Pe Matro, which
I was coming to that. In fact, you set me up very well with Nukkad. A question that I've always wanted to ask you is Nukkad ki jo language hai, jo cadence hai uski, it's very Bombay street cadence.
It is.
Would you say that role prepared you for what was to come next, which is Salim Langde Pe
Salim.
Matro?
Absolutely. See, the production for Mohan Joshi Haziro, which was in that area, Dongri, Dotanki.
जी, मैं बम्बई में बहुत रहा हूँ, so yeah.
जी, तो दोटांकी डोंगरी में हमने शूटिंग की मोहन जोशी हाजिरों की. I was dealing with everyone there, from Safai Wala to the cops and to the bosses there, the owners of the chawl,
जी.
So the language is constantly being, and then Nukkad was a great workshop for me.
Right.
It was 26 characters and such a badmash team that, while the shot is on, actually the people, because the frame is this much in TV, they are being fingered while the shot is on. And not that all of them were always very helpful, in a very friendly way, but they will make life difficult for you, because when you're new, for you, it is very difficult when there is nobody there and they give you marks that now you have to remember all that. So
Right.
it was a great workshop for me. And Bombaya, like I remember in Nukkad, there was a Bombaya, like they say na, ki if I say ki अरे मैं जरा ये 5 रुपए देना, and you say अरे मैं तो अरे बस क्या, that बस क्या मतलब अच्छा. And I remember I did some 6, 7 takes, 8 takes. Only this bas kya. And they kept saying, no, say bas kya. But it's like in Punjabi, if a non-Punjabi says, oh,
जी,
तो हमें
जी.
पता चलता है ये non-Punjabi है.
जी बिल्कुल.
So I was like, I'm saying it the way they are saying. It's like Ram kare sor. Are shore nahi sor. That person, he thinks he is seeing it right,
Right.
So by Salim Langda, I'd spent so much time in Bombay, and I love Bombay. His whole dialect is very interesting. The way they say, "Na, hey, kai ko jayega."
It's very effective, very effective.
Except the way they call you, that I don't like. But some of the things, phir gaya na, to those small, I like that. And
Right.
I think that helped me also, when I was doing Salim Langda Pe Matro. And Salim Langda was something, it opened so many gates for me. Because of Salim Langda, that I see, यहाँ पर बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधेगा ये भी है. Nobody looks कि उसने वो सीन किया तो उसको उठा के एक्टर बना लो. वो आपको सर्टेन ब्रैकेट में आना होता है. वो आपको कब, like they say ना, keep jumping when opportunity will come. But I say, when time is with you, God is with you, the Cue starts from where you're sitting. Somebody will come and say, "खड़े होइए, यहीं से क्यू शुरू होना, आपका पहला नंबर है." It's
Right.
like, of course you have to work. I'm not saying that hard work. There's no option. Once you have work, you have to work hard. I'm not
Right.
saying you'll get 100%, whatever. But Salim, because of Salim, I got Bagh Bahadur. I was on a
Ji.
cover page, my picture on NFDC magazine, and which Director Buddhadeva Das Gupta saw it in Calcutta. And he says, "I love your eyes." And then he talked to his brother and his wife, and they say, "Ye nukkad mein
Right.
karta tha." And then he came to Bombay looking for me, narrated the story. And then luckily I had absolutely two different films we shot in 89. Films were
Exactly.
released in 90.
Yeah,
90.
sorry to interrupt. I was coming to a little bit of Bagh Bahadur in a bit, but I was somewhat curious about Salim Lagre Pe Matro while we are talking about it. One of the things that I've always thought about is, as an actor from Bombay, were you aware of the social-cultural underpinnings of what Saeed Mirza was coming from? Because he is a very left of center thinker. He is a Marxist in his outlook. He looks at life in a certain way. How familiar were you with his thinking and the mood of the script?
See, I work with script. And lots of people, they have to see Salim Langda and understand. Somebody was talking to me about उन्होंने मस्जिद गिराया, ऐसा सलीम लंगड़ा में वो सब कुछ नहीं है.
Ji.
They only see, fringe पे. No. It's a boy जिसके लिए खिड़की खुली. It's like इंडिया में बेंगलोर में children want to join IT. उनके सामने IT के हीरो घूम रहे हैं.
जी.
चेन्नई में कोई रहता होगा, वो सोचता होगा चेस प्लेयर बनना है. कोई क्रिकेटर घर में, यहाँ पर फिल्म वाले कहीं भी हार्वर्ड कैम्ब्रिज कहीं भी पढ़ के आ जाए, उनको काम फिल्मों में ही करना, एक्टिंग करनी होती है. सो फॉर सलीम, he opens the window and he sees a guy in white shirt, white trousers, expensive gold watch, big car, some starlet next to him. For him, अरे ये बनना है.
Right.
But film is also, you have to understand, when he says, he tells his sister, मैं निकलना चाहता हूं, मैं निकल नहीं सकता, मैं फंस गया. When he is going out and sister says, बाहर मत जाइएगा, दंगे हो रहे हैं. Dange means riots, if not
Ji.
lots of people can. And he says, ये अपना इलाका, अपन भी तैयार है. And father says, अच्छा, सबका अपना अपना इलाका हो गया, काय से तैयार है? चाकू से, बंदूक से. वो है. When he says, हिंदुस्तानी है मैं, इज्जत से जीना है मेरे को. And everything which Rajendra Gupta, the character, the brother-in-law, who
Right.
later on becomes brother-in-law, who works in a press, Urdu press, whatever he speaks, when there's a scene where he says, "Tum mazhab ke," he doesn't say mazhab. "Tum mazhab ke khilaf काय को बोलने का?" He said, "What makes you think that I've spoken against the religion?" He said, "नहीं, वो लोग कह रहे हैं, वो तो बोलेंगे क्योंकि उनको धंधा करना है."
Ji.
और तुम, he says, but outside things are very difficult. It's easier to say. He says, हाँ मुझे मालूम है कुछ है, लेकिन तुम क्या कर रहे हो? नाली के कीड़े की तरह पैदा हुए, बिना पढ़े लिखे, पढ़ो लिखो, इस गटर में से बाहर निकलो. And when he talks about his brother, he says, यहाँ चाकू बंदूक उठा के गुंडा बन जाना चुटकी का खेल है, लेकिन तुम्हारा भाई असली सिपाही था जो इज्जत से जीना चाह रहा था. So that is when he talks about partition, that लाखों इधर गए, and the last song of the film, which कैफी साहब, मतलब उन्होंने इतने में इतना कुछ डाल दिया कि जीवन था कुछ सपने थे सो मुफ्त में कुर्बान कर डाले.
जी.
धरती बांटने वालों ने धरती के टुकड़े कर डाले, सब पाप अपने, सब दोष अपने, निर्दोषों के सर डाले. जिन्होंने कहा सब घर बदले, उन्होंने देखा भी नहीं कौन कहां थक कर बैठा, किसने कहां बिस्तर डाले. मुल्क का भी हाल वही, नफरत का भी राज वही, एक जीवन था कुछ सपने थे सो मुफ्त में कुर्बान कर डाले. तो फिल्म इज ऑल्सो अबाउट कि इट्स नॉट कि अरे ये बेचारा, लोग वैसे ही देख रहे हैं. अरे इट्स हाउ Said wrote that. I don't know if today he will write this kind of a script. I don't know, but it was so balanced. It was not key, but there are people, they only watch it like this. That is their problem. तुम्हें भी सिनेमा भाई समझ के देखना पड़ेगा.
जी, बिल्कुल.
And I'm very lucky. I'm thankful to God that I start my career in films and I get a film like Salim Langde Pe Matro with so many layers, and then I get Bagh Bahadur. And Salim Langla, see, he's cocky. He walks on road as if uske baap ki sadak hai.
जी
Actually, he's nobody. He's lying when he says, "Oh, they came to kill me." Actually, they have not. He's a small fry. In fact, he looks. If you see the scene at Rafiq Bhai's restaurant when the biggies are there, he
जी
looks at them with admiration. कि ये बनाया, ये मुझे pick कर ले. You know, that's why he walks. Even his pitch. If you see Black Friday,
right
Tiger Memon is possessed. He is in control. The way his dialogue delivery and Salim Mangla, everything उठा के, अरे अपना भी टाइम आएगा रे.
Yeah.
You know, everything is
Yeah.
मटक के बालों से खेलना है. He's basically he's not relaxed. Yeah, all the time he's fiddling with his couch. You know, and he's a small time guy who wants to be picked up by biggies. When he's in front of biggies, he's a, you know, and his career is wo banna. But at some point in his journey, he realizes. That's why that scene when they say usko टपकाने का, he says फिर दंगा होगा. So there's a Hindu businessman, there's a Muslim smuggler. They're all smugglers. They're standing there and they say, "अरे दो चार इधर गिरे, दो चार इधर गिरे, धंधा है."
right
And he refuses, and that's why he's killed. And I even asked Said, if we show him that he has left everything, why do we get him killed? He says, because you have to pay a price, my friend.
right. So tell me then, from that mental setup of Salim Lagda, Salim Pasha, to transform to Bagh Bahadur, I presume you were shooting almost parallelly, or they were completely separate?
No. I was not shooting parallelly.
Okay.
It was a gap of 1 or 2 months when this film came to me.
Achha.
We started early 89. We started Salim Langla, and sometime September, October, we did Bagh Bahadur, and both the films were ready in 90. Got released in 90. Both the films got National Award. Bagh Bahadur got Best Film National Award, and Salim Langla got Best Hindi Film National.
Right.
Now, that director is no more. He was an actor and director, Neeraj Vora.
Right.
I'm just one small, because you mentioned these two that together. That is actor's job, actually. You can't carry gestures. That's my school. I'm not against anybody those who have fixed mannerisms or fixed gestures. I don't believe in that. If I read a script, I see Salim in certain way he walks. Of course, in the script only, he says, "Meri chaal mein chamak hai," to wo halka sa ek flap your foot to thigh. You know, so वो तो आपको स्क्रिप्ट ही दे रही है. बाकी playing with the crowd, बालों से खेलना, you have drooping mustache, because those days had drooping mustache. All these boys were with drooping mustache. You know, all that. But you leave that with your film. So Neeraj Vora told me when he met me, he says, "I saw both the films, and you know, तुम्हारी सलीम लंगड़ा में इतनी तारीफ हुई थी कि उसमें से निकलना बहुत लोगों के लिए मुश्किल हो जाता है. You know, कोई भी इतनी तारीफ समझ ले कि पब से बाहर निकल रहा है तो 2 ड्रिंक लगा के 3 ड्रिंक लगा के कितना भी समझ सकते हो, चाल में थोड़ा सरूर तो होता ही है." तो वो सलीम लंगड़े का सरूर नहीं था. So for example, I was very lucky when I started doing Punjabi films. I did Punjab 84, and before I started shooting for that film, I got Ae Janam Tumhare Leke, absolutely different role.
Right.
I don't know if you've seen those. And that I started shooting. I finished 84, Punjab 1984, and within 10 days I started shooting for Ae Janam Tumhare Leke. So they are two different, and that is actor's job. You know, I believe, like in Punjab 84, if I pat my head, you know, whenever, or that gesture I care for that character, and it's very popular in Punjab. Even now, people, they see me and they do that, you know, film people. But that doesn't mean I always believe if your speech and your walk and your body language and your gestures are same in every film, then आप performer हैं. एक्टिंग के लिए आपको वही करना जो आपको स्क्रिप्ट बोल, उसमें से ढूंढना. आप घर से अपनी एक्टिंग नहीं ला सकते कि मैं तो यही करूंगा. हाँ, आई नो जिसकी मिमिक्री होती है वो स्टार बनता है. यू नो, पवन मल्होत्रा की मिमिक्री नहीं होती है बिकॉज people don't even recognize us because we look different in every film, you know.
That reminds me of an incident that you often face when your admirers come to you and rattle off a list of your movies, but struggle to say your name because they don't quite connect the character. So it's a tribute to you.
दे थे बाग बहादुर देखते थे बचपन में टीवी पे आई थी सर, सलीम लंगड़ा सर एंड सर, और वो सब थोड़े अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले, अरे सर किक एस वर्क इन ब्लैक फ्राइडे एंड रोड टू संगम, तो मैंने पहचाना ही नहीं था सर, किसी और ने बताया, बट व्हाट सर, बाग मिल्खा भाग वाज दिस एंड मुबारकान दिस सर, बट व्हाट इज योर नेम सर? तो आई आस्क्ड अ डायरेक्टर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, यार they follow my work, and if one person had asked me, I can understand. Like even if you tell people today Pawan Malhotra का इंटरव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ, they will ask you who, and if you say oh भाग मिल्खा में जो कोच बना था या रुस्तम में पुलिस, अच्छा उसने वो भी किया था, you know. So my director friend said, but they are giving you compliment because they get into your characters.
Right.
Still I would like to know them. This is Pawan Malhotra playing this. So now I generally, when I go for those master classes or sometimes interviews, I say, I'm Pawan Malhotra. Pehle batao.
So tell me something, for an actor to start with two movies of this caliber, Salim Lagda and Bagh Bahadur, what did it do to your thinking as an actor? Did you think that this is a huge launch for me and now it's up to the stars, I'll be in the stratospheric success, as it were? What were you thinking at that point in 1990?
Actually, wohi gadbad hai. I was not thinking anything. I didn't even go to novelty for the show, which was in advance. Maybe I'm dumb or not very well read, or I don't know how to manipulate, or I still went around looking for work the way I would. I went around looking for work. I met people. And at some point I felt, no, I've done my job. I've met these people. And जो मेरे हिस्से में है वही मेरे पास आता है. मुझे मांगने, actually from Nukkad till date, and it's a fact, Saeed Mirza was the only person I knew him, that I worked him as a production manager. And honestly, I was not even trying for Salim Lagda role. Pehle kyunki Saeed was writing for Naseer. In fact, I went with Saeed to that area in the night because I wanted to see all those gambling places and I wanted to meet all these smugglers and, you know, raat ko.
Right.
But I never thought I'll get this role. In fact, when Saeed started on this, that younger, you know, उसके बाद भी सईद ने दिलीप धवन को सोचा था, अनाउंस भी किया था. हमारी प्रेस तो याद ही नहीं रखती है. प्रेस तो हमारी इंडिया में शायद ही कोई एक दो होंगे जो सिनेमा के ऊपर लिखते हैं, बाकी सब गॉसिप लिखते हैं सिनेमा.
जी बिल्कुल.
They call themselves film journalists. They are film gossip journalists. Let's put it like this. Anyway, so I never thought कि भाई मेरे पास आएगा. वो मेरी झोली में आया और अभी तक from that day till date, every single job has come to me in my lap.
No, so interesting.
What I tried, I never got it.
No, it's interesting you should mention it. I began asking you about Anugachanti Prabha. जब किसी ने आपकी बाग बहादुर देखी रॉबर्ट बटलर ने, that's when the movie Brothers in Trouble happened, right?
Yeah.
Talk a bit about Brothers in Trouble, because where you played an illegal Pakistani immigrant in London.
Yeah, because of Salim Lagda Bagh Bahadur, I got City of Joy. अभी मेरा रोल कट गया है. वो फिल्म बहुत ओवरशूट हुई थी. Okay, आशीष का मैं रोल कर रहा हूँ. So anyway, why I mentioned that film, because I was in London. We shot a part of it in London. Okay, that drowning and flooding and all. And Om called me in my room. We were in a same hotel. That somebody's here to meet you, because they came to Om Puri, I'm talking about, and they said we are trying to get in touch with this guy, Bagh Bahadur, Tiger Man, and he said he's with us. He's staying in the hotel. If he's in his room, I'll call him. So I went, and the director and the producer, Robert Buckler, Robert Buckler had written the screenplay also.
Right.
It's from a short story, Abdullah Hussein's short story, Wapsi Ka Safar, Pakistani writer. Okay. So they met me for 15-20 minutes, half an hour. No, we just talked, and in somebody else's room, they're there. You don't want to, you know, hang out. So anyway, they said that we would like you to do this, and Omji has a script in Bombay. You can take the script from him and go through it, and we would like you to play the main role. And I came down and I took the script from Om and read it, and then they had sent my script also, and then they kept sending pages, the changes. but it never happened. It went 1 year, 2 years. Then I told once home that Papa ji, ye film बननी नहीं है, pages भेजते रहते हैं यार. Then one day they called me and said, Pawan, we had talked to you, we met you, but we had not finalized you. I said, yeah. So we are coming to Bombay. We'll be reaching Bombay tomorrow. So are you free? Can we meet? I said, yeah, sure. And I met them. And then they said, let's read one scene. And I said, my reading is not very good, which is even today, I can't get a role just reading the script,
I
Hindi,
see.
English, whatever. So they said, I said, I can't perform when I'm, they said, no. My director said, Udayan, no, we don't expect you to perform. Otherwise, what will you do there? We just want to know. They just want to know scene. I read it, and when I left, I told them that I'm in conversation with some producer about a TV program. If you're taking me, then I'll not take up that. So let me know as soon as possible. So before I read, they had already called at home. Those days there was no mobile. 94. Cell phones were not there. And I called them and they said, you're on. Basically, they had come to see Mota ho gaya hai, Ganja ho gaya hai, Kaisa ho gaya hai, And then I got a film, British film, English film, from first scene to last scene, like Bagh Bahadur, Salim Nangla, and this, again, another film, which is first scene to last scene you're doing, And also the thing is, when you do these kind of work, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मैं तो भोलेपन से करता हूँ यार, स्क्रिप्ट को समझता हूँ और उसको इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज भी कर सकते हो, लाइब्रेरी के सामने अपने खड़े होके, बुक शेल्फ के सामने फोटो खिंचवा के, and then you say कि that scene I was, no, it's a connection of brain and heart.
Right.
So just understand the script and go for it. That's how people ask me how to do it. There is no, it's like I remember somebody asking, my mother was in Bombay and one of my friends used to cook and he asked my mother कि वो सफेद चने बनाए थे उन्हें, ये कैसे बनाया है? उन्होंने बोला हम ये डालते हैं, कितना. My mother said, अरे हम वो टीवी वालों की तरह नहीं बता सकते कि 1 किलो में इतना डालना है. आज आप बच्चे नेक्स्ट टाइम बना रहे होंगे तेरे को फोन करते हैं, खड़ा हो जाना, मैं डालती जाऊंगी, देखते जाना, हम तो अंदाजे से डालते हैं.
जी.
आप इसका कोई रेसिपी नहीं बता सकते कि कैसे किया, हम करते हैं पता नहीं कैसे.
अच्छा, ये बताइए Pawan, on the one hand you had the movies that we just talked about and you also done so many mainstream movies. Say on the other hand you have movies like Jab We Met or Dawn or Delhi Straight or Bagh Milkha Bhag. How do you, in your mind, how do you juxtapose, how do you compare those with the ones that you've done earlier?
See, cinema is, हर रोज एक बच्चे को आप ये कहानी नहीं सुना सकते हैं कि एक राजा था, एक रानी थी. Cinema is, you're telling stories from life, human emotions. So there's so much, and there is a way. One lecturer comes, just writes on the board and goes. One lecturer comes, he writes and he turns or she turns, and then they say, and you know what he said. They make it interesting. One lecturer makes it, they overdo it. So I think Dawn, Judwa they overdo it as far as I'm concerned, I think. But films like Bhag Milkha, they tell you a story and they strike a balance. जैसे ऋषिदा बोलते थे, हम बीच का रास्ता लिया बच्चा. Jab We Met, Rustam, Bhag Milkha Bhag, I really enjoyed those films. Judwa, they said, sir, आपकी बड़ी serious image है. Mubarka, I had loved it. I enjoyed it. It's about family. I know थोड़ा मिर्च मसाला है, गाने गुने हैं, but at the same time, it's about a family, brother-sister relationships. There are so many things. Of course, होती है सभी फिल्मों. But कभी-कभी ये होता है कि अरे यार अरे आप सर कर नहीं पाएंगे. क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे भाई? नहीं करना चाहते हैं. But one thing people should also learn from Om Puri. And if you see, even if I did Judwa or Bang Bang or Dawn or Pardesh, I did it with all honesty. Once you say yes, then believe and do that. Like for Tiger Memon, when people come here, the boys here, they come and say, Tiger bhai, and some of them will come, अरे वो अपना हीरो है, आप भी अरे नहीं, मैं उसकी तरह सोचता नहीं हूँ भाई, मैंने सिर्फ उसकी एक्टिंग की. Which is true. I'm not Tiger Memon, neither I support what he did, but when I'm doing it, I play Tiger Memon.
Right.
I have to believe for that second.
Yeah.
That script says that. And that is actor's job.
Speaking of believing in what you're doing, you had specifically
For
mentioned
that moment.
Yeah, no, I understand. I'm saying you had specifically mentioned to me two movies. One was, of course, Punjab 1984, which I did see, and Children of War, which I'm aware of what the theme is. Why don't we talk about Punjab 1984, where you play a pretty rough police officer, Rana, right? Inspector Rana?
G. Inspector
Because
Rana.
I was watching some of the scene. Your swagger was very different in that. Talk a bit about that role.
That was my first Punjabi film.
Achha.
Before that, I'd done Telugu films. I got Filmfare and State Award Telugu films. But my first film was very interesting. Telugu film I'm talking about.
Right.
And after that, when I did one or two films, I felt, I don't know the language. Why am I doing this for money? And sometimes I used to feel my mother tongue is Punjabi, So I used to feel कि यार पंजाबी मैं बोलता हूँ, मेरे पास पंजाबी फिल्म आनी चाहिए अच्छी सी कोई, मन में ऐसा क्या रोल क्या है, I never think like this. Once the script comes out, and then this Punjab 84 happened. So I told him कि one line I want to know, because this is a subject, it's a thin line, I don't want you to be leaning this side or something of that sort, he narrated me, and I think he had balanced it so well, And of course, then, in fact, they say there was a character like Rana, like this, and lots of things of that sort happened. And of course, when I watch and, hitting that old lady, and as Pawan Malhotra, when I'm watching, I feel that it's me. I'm not talking third person Pawan Malhotra,
Yeah.
but I'm just saying कि from outside when I watch, even I feel bad what happened,
Right.
But there, for that second, you play this character, and I'm very happy that, I did Punjab 84 to be part of it. Like, अभी कोरोना की वजह से क्या डेट का क्या होगा, सितंबर we are planning to shoot a web series on. अभी तक मैंने कोई web series नहीं की है.
Achha.
I've not been. एक novel है 84.
Right.
On 84 लोग राइट्स बोलते हैं ऐसे जेनोसाइड ऐसे, तो किसी ने मुझे बोला क्यों पुरानी चीजें निकाल रहा है.
हाँ.
तो मैंने बोला मैंने तो चिल्ड्रन ऑफ वॉर भी किया है, सलीम मंगड़ा भी किया है, मैंने पंजाब 84 भी किया है.
Yeah.
सो ये माफी है जो हुआ,
Right.
कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारा कुछ गलत हुआ,
जी, जी.
उसके लिए वो अलग बात है, करने में बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व थे, बट एज थोड़ा सा अगर हमें कोई भी लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेन वी हैव एज अ हिंदू, आई वांट टू से सॉरी,
Right.
और ये चीज दिखानी चाहिए,
जी, जी, बिल्कुल.
मैंने तो एक फिल्म अभी रेडी हो गई है, अब कोरोना की वजह से रुकी, 72 उरे भी किया है,
Yeah.
सो वो आएगी जब वो आएगी, उसमें आई एम प्लेइंग अ टेररिस्ट.
Right, right. Achha, ये बताइए, what was your exposure to because I reported the Khalistan problems for quite a few years. I used to be stationed in Delhi as a news journalist. What was your personal exposure to 84 and issues of that nature? Were you aware of what was going on?
No, Punjab I didn't know much. मैं तो दिल्ली, और इनफैक्ट मेरी पंजाबी भी दिल्ली के, मेरे पेरेंट्स लाहौर से आए थे, तो ऑफ कोर्स डायलेक्ट चेंज होता रहता है, और लाहौर की थोड़ी पंजाबी थोड़ी सिटी वाली थी, फिर दिल्ली में आकर और सिटी की हो गई. 84 के टाइम मैं तो बॉम्बे में था, बट I knew because how it happened, how our families tried to save the friends, जो पुराने लोग उनको कैसे लेके गए, ये सब जो भी हुआ स्टोरी सुनी थी. But also in 70s it had started, but I don't want to go into detail of this because it's a very dicey, right? Then we get into politics,
Right.
if I talk about this. But उसमें I know कि एक पूरा एक प्रोसेस था, जो गलत सही उस पर हम बहुत कुछ बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन I always say if every Sikh wanted Khalistan, they wouldn't have been able to stop it. But a major number of them, even now, they're not in favor. But we'll not get into this because I think we should avoid this part of politics. You're in America sitting there. So anyway.
No, see,
So,
I agree, yeah.
but I was aware. I could feel that.
Mhm.
You know, as a human, first of all, you can feel for anything of this sort. And I'm sorry. There are lots of people. They are only biased. They only talk from one side. They can call themselves seculars, liberals, which they are not. They are just good with words. But as a human being, anybody being killed
Right.
anywhere like this,
Right.
okay, that is for me is wrong. And for Punjab, being a Punjabi, I had a other connection also. Like now in '84, Ae Janam Tumhare Likhe and films after that, every time I go to Punjab and I walk there and you see people, अगर आप रास्ता भी पूछेंगे तो वो बोलते हैं चाय पी लो, लस्सी पी लो.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
I feel so proud that my ancestors came from that land.
Yeah.
You know, there is something so beautiful about that place.
I must,
And,
I'm sorry to interrupt. I must tell you a story, if you don't mind, a quick one. Since you talked about Cha Palo, Lassi Palo, on a particular assignment, I was driving from Delhi to Hoshiarpur at the peak of the Khalistani movement. And from a distance, I could see some man trying to stop our car, and my taxi driver was in a panic. मैंने कहा आप फिक्र मत करिए, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. We are from the media. So that man stopped us in the middle of the night. It must be around 1:32 in the morning at that point. He signaled कि जरा आपकी windows नीचे करिए, मुझे बात करनी है. And my taxi driver was really sweating. I said, just don't worry about that. And this man, young man, was a Khalistani. He had an AK-47 hanging from his shoulder. You know what he tells me? यहाँ लंगर लगाए कुछ लस्सी वस्सी पी के जाओ. In the middle of the night, a Khalistani is telling me that. So you point about Punjab.
आपको पंजाब की एक और चीज बताता हूँ. We were shooting for Lake G serial long back. उससे पहले I had done one 10 episode serial in 90 on Punjab problem only. I played a terrorist. So anyway, खड़कू बोल देना. When we were shooting for Lake G, and TV generally we used to shoot sing sound. Otherwise, in Hindi films you dub. Nowadays, lots of films sing sound. Okay. So anyway, we were shooting there sing sound, and somebody on his bike, you know, he went on. Finally, we had to cut it, and I turned and looked, and our production guy was standing right next to him, and I said, "यार, तू उसको बोल कर ही रहा engine बंद करने के लिए यार." So he said, "बोला है जी, सुनता नहीं है." Then I called all the guys from production and those who were helping with the crowd, the Bombay people. I said, see, when you're in Punjab, don't push anybody. They will not like it if you manhandle them. You know, don't be rough with them. Just request them with folded hands. And if somebody you still feel is troubling you, all you have to tell him is कि आपके मेहमान हैं जी, आपने आने दिया तो आए हैं, आप नहीं चाहते शूटिंग करें तो हम तो मेहमान हैं, हम चले जाते हैं. That guy will back off on his own. If he doesn't, the people stand. वहां जो है ना कि मेहमान नाराज नहीं होना चाहिए. वो आज भी है. वो आज पंजाब जो अर्ली 70s में था, हाईएस्ट पर कैपिटा इनकम थी, जो आज नहीं है. आज तो सारी गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स डेट में है, यू नो, और उसमें बहुत कुछ हुआ है. और पहले एक पूरा यंगस्टर्स हमारे खालिस्तान मूवमेंट में गए, फिर उसके बाद वो ड्रग फेंकी गई. पाकिस्तान से फ्री में ड्रग फेंकी जाती थी, फिर उनको रास्ता भी मिल गया, पीपल इन्वॉल्व, फिर अभी वापस. तो पंजाब इज गॉन, पर हम खड़े हो जाएंगे. इफ यू सी पंजाब की हिस्ट्री, एवरी थर्ड जनरेशन फिर से खड़ी हो जाती है. और एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, हमें बोला जाता था कि बंगाल में जाता था ना, अरे तुम्हारा लोगों का सिर्फ कल्चर है, एग्रीकल्चर है, कल्चर तो है ही. एक दिन मैंने उनको बिठाया, मैंने कहा भाई, जो दुनिया में 7 रोमांस लिखे गए ना, उसमें से 5 पंजाब की जमीन पे. महाभारत पंजाब की जमीन में, उसमें रोमांस में 2 वर्स में है. दुनिया का सबसे आखिरी ग्रंथ अगर कहीं लिखा गया तो वो पंजाब की जमीन पे, तो कोई धार्मिक ग्रंथ लिखा गया, उसमें भी बताया कौन से राग में गाना है. और सबसे डरपोक कौन थी हमने ऊपर से लोगों को आने दिया हमेशा, इन्वेडर्स को. खादा पीता लाहेदा, बाकी अहमद शाहिदा, मस्सा रंगड़ भी आके गोल्डन टेम्पल में बैठ गया. वो तो गुरु ने बोला, गीदड़ से मैं शेर बनाऊं, चिड़ी से मैं बाज बनाऊं. एंड ही गेव द बेस्ट सोल्जर इन द वर्ल्ड.
Absolutely, yeah.
Today 6 soldier.
No, absolutely. Pawan, I know we have taken a lot of time. Just last couple of things I wanted to ask you. One is, of course, to lighten up the mood a bit. I'm sure over the years you've received many compliments from your peers and others. कुछ ऐसी बात याद है आपको जो आपके दिमाग में रह गई? Somebody might have paid you a very major compliment, either a fellow actor or someone else.
चलिए ऐसे तो बहुत सारे हैं. I mean,
There
पर
was one
एक
about
बार
Amrish Puri, I think I have a vague recollection of.
जी अच्छा वो सुनाता हूँ, वो तो मैं नहीं सुनाने जा रहा. अमरीश पुरी साहब के साथ मुझे एक फिल्म में काम करने का मौका मिला जो फिल्म बनी नहीं है, चिल्ड्रन फिल्म सोसाइटी की. द फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई रीच द स्टूडियो, मैं और भी दो सुनाऊंगा पर जल्दी जल्दी सुना. तो सुबह उन्होंने मुझे देखा और मुझसे, तो आई विश्ड हिम, आई हैड नेवर मेट हिम बिफोर, एंड ही सेड तुम वही हो ना सलीम लंगड़े बाग बहादुर वाले? तो आई सेड जी सर. लंच मेरे साथ खाओगे? So lunchtime when it happened, he said, they said break for lunch, and he looked at me and said, "मेरे room में." I went to his room. He made me sit, and he says, "Sparrow समझते हो? चिड़िया?" I said, "जी." उसको flutter करते देखा है? मैंने कहा सर ऐसे naked eye तो नहीं देखा है. उसको पानी के ऊपर, नदी के ऊपर, तालाब के ऊपर, pond के ऊपर देखा है flutter करते? I said, सर ऐसे naked eye नहीं देखा है, but documentaries वगैरह में देखा है फिल्म. तो फ्लटर समझते हो ना, स्पैरो जो फ्लटर करती है? ऐसे जैसा. तो कुछ एक्टर्स होते हैं वो ऐसे फ्लटर करते रहते हैं, और कुछ एक्टर्स हैं जो आते हैं यूं 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 उड़ते हैं, गायब होते हैं. और जो फ्लटर करते हैं उस पे हाइट मैटर नहीं करती है. यहां फ्लटर करो, यहां करो, यहां करो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. फ्लटर करते रहना जरूरी है, और तुम में मादा है फ्लटर करने का. तुम्हारी दोनों फिल्में देखी, फ्लटर करते रहना. लाइक it's equivalent to what I tell people, that once you're in this profession, this is not a 100-meter race, it's a marathon.
Right.
You know, and once Gulzar Saab said, after seeing Road to Sangam, उन्होंने देखी, बड़ा प्यार किया, बड़ी तारीफ की, एक जगह हम मिला, और फिर कुछ महीनों बाद फिर मैसेज भेजा कि आज फिर से मन किया देखने का, and he had written nice things about me, and I called him and then something जो हमारा पीछे का था माचिस के टाइम का, ये वो, I had never gone to him and met him after Machis. I never got work when I asked. So, and he said, अरे यार परेश, और तेरे साथ बड़ा काम करने का मन था पर चांस ही नहीं बना. अब for me, my chest was touching the ceiling. या मुबारका एक मैंने फिल्म की है, उसका पहला शो के बाद I never forget अर्जुन कपूर सिस्टर. शो खत्म हुआ, बाहर आए, she came to me and she looked at me like this and she says, सर, मैंने तो अपने लिए किया था, ऐसा थोड़ी, मेरे भाई की फिल्म के लिए आपने जो इतना अच्छा काम किया है ना सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. एंड द वे शी हग्ड मी, दैट सिस्टर, यू नो, गिविंग मी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बट उसका कनेक्शन ये था कि इसने जो इतना अच्छा काम किया, मेरे भाई की फिल्म को कुछ फायदा होगा. मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, पर सम स्टे विद यू, यू नो, कि अभी भी मैं उसका वो याद करता हूँ, आई गेट गूज़बम्प्स, यू नो. And I'm telling you this, any actor or any performing artist, चाहे वो singer हो, चाहे वो dancer हो, चाहे वो writer, painter, कोई भी हो, if they say we don't give a damn about compliment, झूठ बोलते.
जी.
जब compliment मिलता है ना, ऐसा सीना चौड़ा हो जाता है. हम जो सिनेमा करते हैं उसमें कोई करोड़ों रुपए थोड़ी, आज भी लड़ना पड़ता है अपने पैसे के लिए, you know. But जब compliment मिलता है, उसके लिए आर्टिस्ट जीता है. Sir, even if भीमसेन जोशी गा रहे होते ना और ताली नहीं बजती, तो वो भी सोचते आज कुछ गड़बड़ गाया. Compliments are very important. The fact that you are interviewing me, आपने मेरा कुछ काम देखा, इसलिए आप मुझे ढूंढ के इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं. एक है कि जैसे तभी मैंने बोला कि आप पहले मेरा सिनेमा देख लीजिए, यू नो, कि अगर मेरे सिनेमा की बात करनी है तो कीजिए. अगर सिर्फ वो हफ्ता भरना है, अभी भी उसके बाद कोई फोन आया कि मैंने कहा आपने मेरी फिल्में क्या देखी? सर मैंने आपका सर्कस देखा है, शाहरुख के साथ डॉन देखा है. मैंने कहा भाई वो मेरा सबसे हल्का काम है. यू नो, आप, वो मेरा ही काम है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैंने आप मन से नहीं किया. और मुझे वो भी एक बहुत सारे एक्टर्स अजीब लगते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म मुझे पसंद नहीं थी पर अधमने मन से आप खड़े हो, तो फिर हाँ क्यों की भाई? डोंट डू इट. Once you are doing a role, चाहे वो कोई भी फिल्म हो, चाहे जुड़वा हो, even if I have to do buffoonery, do it with all your conviction. काम देखा है। मैंने कहा भाई वो मेरा सबसे हल्का काम है।
Right.
आप वो मेरा ही काम है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैंने आप मन से नहीं किया। और मुझे वो भी एक बहुत सारे एक्टर्स अजीब लगते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म अच्छा आई कैन सी यू। एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज देखिए, जब मैं अभी आपसे इंटरव्यू में बात कर रहा हूँ,
Right.
भाषा जो है मुझे मालूम है बड़ी देसी सी है, पंजाबी टाइप है,
Right.
पर मैं ऑफ कैमरा एक्टिंग नहीं करता हूँ। दिस इज हाउ आई एम, बट व्हेन यू सी मी ऑन स्क्रीन,
It's very
जहां मुझे
different.
हिंदी
Yeah.
साफ बोलनी है, हाँ मैं साफ बोलता हूँ तब भाषा।
Right.
मैं ऑफ कैमरा रियल लाइफ में मुझे एक्टिंग करने की क्या जरूरत है? दिस
बिल्कुल,
इज हाउ
बिल्कुल।
आई एम, एक्सेप्ट मी, टेक मी और डोंट टेक मी, यू नो।
Yeah,
एंड इफ
absolutely.
समबडी थिंक अगर ऐसे बोलता तो यार हमारे अंदर, अरे भाई जब वो करेंगे तो वो तो हम कोई और किरदार कर रहे हैं ना, तो
हाँ।
वो तो मुझे, मैं किरदार कर रहा हूं। देन योर मशीन इज सेइंग, ऊपर का जो कंप्यूटर है वो आपको बोल रहा है आपको भाषा इस तरह से बोलनी है। जैसे सलीम लंगड़ा करते हुए मैं खुदा थोड़ी बोलूंगा, खुदा बोलूंगा, जमाना नहीं बोलूंगा, जमाना बोलूंगा, क्योंकि
Right.
वो मुस्लिम है, इसका मतलब उर्दू बोल सकता है ऐसा नहीं है। वो बोलता है उर्दू पर खराब उर्दू बोलता है। You know, you
Especially
have to
in
keep-
Bombay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, especially in Bombay. No?
Yeah.
Even if you go to यूपी वाले हिंदी स्टेशन बोलते हैं,
जी,
सुरेश बोलते हैं।
जी,
हिंदी तो सबसे अच्छी एमपी में बोली जाती है,
हाँ।
यू नो। दिल्ली वाला जो है वो तो ना आ रही है ना जा रही है, खड़े खड़े बातें बना रही है, चल रही है कि नहीं चल रही है, हैं? अरे कर ले, यू नो, वो तो ऐसे
Right.
बोल रहे
Right.
हैं तो वो भी मुस्लिम, अरे उर्दू जानते हैं। पंजाबी, पूरा पाकिस्तान का पंजाबी एक्सेंट में उर्दू बोलता है,
True.
यू नो। सो
No, this is fascinating stuff. When one can go on, it's been a wonderful conversation, Pawan. I know we had some hitches to begin with, but we overcame that. I want to thank you so much on behalf of Bharat FM, and I'll send you a full recording pretty soon.
जी जरूर, थैंक यू सो मच,
Thank you.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
Yeah.
Mike, Hriday is on the call and he has one question. If Pawan doesn't
Yeah,
mind.
sure. No, I don't mind. You can
So,
go on.
so
Okay,
Hriday,
go ahead.
Hello, Pawan sir.
Hi.
I am very huge fan of yours, and I am very delighted
Thank
to
you.
talk with you today, sir. It's my dream come true.
Thank you so much.
Sir, I have a question for you. Your new
जी।
film is coming over. अभी जो पार्टी शुरू हुई है,
वो फिल्म दोस्त मुझे नहीं लगता कि डायरेक्टर बनाएगा, वो कुछ और बना रहा था, उससे बन कुछ और गया है। वो दूसरी तरह का सिनेमा, पर उसने एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है जिसमें मैं नहीं हूँ, आर्टिकल 15, प्लीज सी दैट। बहुत
सर, वो
कमाल की उसी डायरेक्टर ने फिल्म बनाई है, पर वो अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो कंप्लीट करेगा उसको। उसकी वजह है वो जैसा विचारधारा है उसकी, उसने शायद गलती से एक ऐसी फिल्म, उसको लग रहा है, मेरे हिसाब से तो होनी चाहिए, पर वो फिल्म मुझे नहीं लगता आएगी।
okay, sir. Sir, it was a
और
nice
किसी को कुछ
interview of yours today. Sir,
प्लेजर
बहुत
प्लेजर, ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Pawan, once again, we are grateful for your time, and hopefully you'll see more and more of what you do. And our best to you as always.
थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, जय हिंद,
जी, जय हिंद आपको।
एंड लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ। कोरोना सब तरफ है।
जी, जी, नमस्ते।
This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत। बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत।
This is Bharat FM.